Ever wondered why you get skin tags and how to remove them naturally? Let's dive into the world of skin tags together. Skin tags, also known as acrocordons, are small, soft growths that hang off the skin. They're common and completely harmless, but they can be a bit of a nuisance, can't they? They often appear in areas where the skin folds and creases, such as the armpits, neck, and around the eyes. You might even find them in more uncomfortable places like under your breasts or in the groin area. They're generally painless but can become irritated or uncomfortable, especially when they rub against clothing or jewelry. Conventional methods of removing skin tags usually involve a visit to the dermatologist, but what if you could do it naturally at home? Stay tuned as we explore this fascinating topic further. So, why do we get skin tags in the first place? Well, skin tags, also known as acrocordons, can be caused by a variety of factors. One of the most common causes is friction, which can occur when clothing rubs against your skin or when your skin rubs together. This is why skin tags often appear in areas with skin folds, like your neck, armpits, or groin. Hormonal changes can also play a role. For instance, skin tags are more common in people who are pregnant, possibly due to hormones or weight gain. Additionally, your genetics might make you more susceptible to skin tags. If your parents or grandparents had skin tags, there's a chance you might get them too. Now, you might be wondering if a lack of certain nutrients could lead to skin tags. While it's a common theory, there's no definitive scientific evidence to support this. Now that we understand why skin tags occur, let's explore how we can remove them naturally. Removing skin tags naturally doesn't have to be a complex process. Let's explore some simple yet effective methods. First up is apple cider vinegar, an age-old remedy known for its acidic properties. Apply it to the skin tag using a cotton ball, gently dabbing it twice a day. Another natural method is tea tree oil. It's been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions. Apply a few drops to a cotton ball and gently press it against the skin tag, securing it with a bandage. Repeat this process twice daily. Finally, there's garlic. Yes, you heard right, garlic. This pungent bulb contains natural enzymes that can help shrink skin tags. Crush a clove of garlic to make a paste, apply it to the skin tag and cover it with a bandage overnight. Wash it off in the morning. Remember, these methods require persistence and usually take a few weeks to see results. Patience is key when using natural remedies. It may take some time, but the results are worth it. To sum up, skin tags are common and mostly harmless. They're often linked to friction and certain hormonal changes. But don't worry, nature has you covered. By harnessing the power of ingredients like apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil, or even garlic, you can bid goodbye to these little nuisances in a matter of weeks. Remember, patience is key. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and natural remedies. Your body will thank you.